eyes are deteriorating too early today. And when you start wearing glasses, your eyes get a little lazy. Some points to remember is that when you have eye strain, when your brain is tired, it weakens the eyes. So when's your brain tired, students? End of the day? So eye strain in the evening can weaken your eyes. But eye strain in the morning, when your brain is refreshed, does not weaken your eyes. It strengthens your eyes. So do the small, fine work in the morning rather than of an evening.
Vision is one of the most precious senses, and maintaining eye health becomes increasingly important as we age. Eye issues such as cataracts and glaucoma are common problems, often requiring medical intervention, but alternative natural remedies exist that are less well known. Barbara O'Neill, a leading naturopath, presents some powerful natural strategies for rebuilding eye health and fighting diseases like cataracts and glaucoma to maintain good vision. So in today's video, we will discover the top natural remedies for vision, cataracts, and glaucoma that doctors don't tell about.
And rebounding strengthens the eyes. The reason rebounding strengthens the eyes is when you rebound, you increase blood supply more efficiently and effectively through the whole body. But the particular exercise that strengthens the eyes is when you rebound, you focus on something. Where I'm staying at the moment, where the rebounder is, there's windows that have frames like this. So what I do is I focus on the frame and the plant outside jumps in my peripheral vision. And then after 10 seconds, I change my focus and my focus on the plant outside, and then the window frame jumps like this. So if every 10 seconds on the rebounder, you keep changing your focus. Can you see how that is strengthening the muscles in your eyes?
Eye strain is a common problem, especially in today's world where people spend hours in front of screens, whether for work or leisure. Strain on the eyes can also result from environmental factors like harsh sunlight or prolonged periods of focusing on small text or objects. According to Barbara O'Neill, one of the first steps in improving eye health is learning how to rebuild the strength and resilience of the eyes. Eye strain can weaken the muscles responsible for focusing, which contributes to problems like blurred vision, headaches, and eventually more serious conditions. To rebuild the eyes, Dr. Barbara O'Neill suggests adopting habits that allow the eyes to rest and recover. This includes frequent breaks during periods of intense focus, such as working on a computer, and practicing eye exercises that help strengthen the muscles surrounding the eyes. A simple exercise involves focusing on an object far away, then shifting focus to something much closer, repeatedly. This not only relaxes the eye muscles, but also strengthens them over time.
Sunshine strengthens the eyes too. Never should we look at the sun, we know that. But just being outside, the ultraviolet rays from the sun go through neurochemical pathways and hit different parts of your brain. You see, your eyes are an extension of your brain. So your brain needs sun, and your brain gets suns through the eyes. And sun strengthens eyesight. Sunglasses are not good for eyes. Let's say you're going out into a hot summer day and you've got sunglasses on. The eyes can't give a message to the brain. Whereas if we go outside on a hot sunny day, the strength of the sun is being monitored by the eyes and the message is sent to the brain. And when the sun is very hot and very strong, it gives a message to the skin to close up little receptor sites so you don't burn so easily. But if you go out into hot sun with sunglasses on, you can burn a lot easier because your brain didn't get the message that the sun's hot to close the little receptor sites.
While sunlight is essential for overall health, Barbara O'Neill warns that too much exposure can strain the eyes. The bright light from the sun forces the eyes to work harder, which can contribute to a range of eye problems if not properly managed. For many people, the immediate response is to reach for sunglasses, But according to Barbara O'Neill, this may not be the best solution. Barbara O'Neill challenges the popular belief that sunglasses are a must for protecting our eyes from the sun. While it's true that excessive sunlight can harm the eyes, Dr. Barbara O'Neill explains that wearing sunglasses too often can actually weaken the eyes over time. The rationale is that sunglasses reduce the natural exposure to sunlight that our eyes need to function properly. Sunlight plays a crucial role in regulating various functions in our body, and the eyes need a certain amount of natural light to stay healthy. Barbara O'Neill believes that over-reliance on sunglasses can make our eyes more sensitive to light, leaving them vulnerable when we aren't wearing protective lenses. Instead, she recommends limiting the time spent in direct sunlight and allowing the eyes to adjust to varying levels of light naturally.
Now, what about glaucoma and cataracts? Do you know that they are all diseases of the Western world? And it's purely reflected on the diet that people are eating. So what should we be eating? We should be eating a diet that's high in fibre. So all plant foods have fibre. So that meal we had tonight, everything had fibre. So your plant-based diet's fibre. Generous amounts of protein, because every membrane around every cell is 50% protein. And you saw in my DNA lecture, the body needs amino acids to build new cells. So we need protein. And the best protein, the cleanest burning fuel protein, is legumes and nuts and seeds. So legumes, that's lima beans, black-eyed beans, cannellini beans, chickpeas, lentils, soy. Soy is only a problem if it's been genetically modified. Nuts can be overdone, so 10 a meal. And seeds. So seeds, probably about 1/4 cup per meal. So they're the 3 essential food groups. And where you get your minerals is your that's the protein. The 3 essential food groups are fibre, protein, and fats. So the best fats are your nuts, your seeds, and coconut oil and olive oil.
For example, legumes are high in zinc, which plays a role in maintaining the retina, and seeds like flax seeds and chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce the risk of macular degeneration. Healthy fats, like those found in coconut oil and olive oil, are also key components of a diet that supports eye health. Dr. Barbara O'Neill recommends incorporating these oils into your daily diet to ensure the eyes remain well-nourished and protected against conditions like glaucoma and cataracts. Coconut oil, in particular, is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce the risk of eye diseases related to inflammation.
Because of a high acid diet that many people are living today, with a lot of sugars, a lot of caffeines, a lot of starches, cereals, breads, the body releases calcium phosphate to neutralize the acidity. And that calcium phosphate can build up as crystals in the kidneys, in the gallbladder, on the eyes, cataracts. And there is a way that you can get rid of cataracts, and that is 1 drop of castor oil wiped over the eyelid. It'll go through the lashes. The castor oil will penetrate in through the eyelid and also into the eye through the lashes. Castor oil penetrates deeper than any other oil, and wherever it penetrates, it breaks up unnatural formations, which a cataract is. I've had several people get back to me and testify that their cataracts are going by doing the castor oil. Usually you would do it twice a day. Glaucoma can also be benefited by the castor oil on the eye.
In addition to recommending specific foods to support eye health, Barbara O'Neill also warns against certain foods that can have a negative impact on the eyes. She specifically highlights foods full of sugar, caffeine, and cereal bread as culprits that can contribute to the development of eye problems, including cataracts. These foods can spike blood sugar levels, leading to oxidative stress, which damages the eyes over time. Caffeine, found in coffee and certain teas, can increase intraocular pressure, worsening conditions like glaucoma. By minimizing these harmful foods and replacing them with nutrient-dense alternatives, Dr. Barbara O'Neill believes people can protect their vision and even reverse some of the damage caused by poor dietary habits. Perhaps one of the most surprising natural treatments recommended by Barbara O'Neill is the use of castor oil for the eyes. While it might sound unconventional, Barbara O'Neill explains that applying castor oil directly to the eyes can be an effective treatment for cataracts and glaucoma. Castor oil has been used for centuries for its healing properties, and it is particularly beneficial for the eyes due to its anti-inflammatory and moisturizing effects. This natural remedy is said to reduce inflammation in the eyes, promote circulation, and even help lower the pressure inside the eyes, making it a powerful tool for combating glaucoma. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to click the like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.